So I got one of my bolts on the right hand coulter bracket to come loose. This one will not turn, but I was able to get it off, get the coulter off without that anyway. And rather than break it, I'm gonna do some soaking or something other on it, try to get that in there. Right now I'm working on this. Every one of these gaps in this castle nut was caked full of some of the hardest dirt I believe I've ever seen, but I'll get that cleaned off. Get in here and see if I can get this off, and that's might be another big challenge too. That thing's pretty rusted up. I did break one, but this I guess it's a tension adjustment here for this swivel, but that nut had already started to crack. That rust is part way through that, so it twisted right off. I barely, maybe 15-20 foot-pounds on it, and it just right on through. So I've got my first broken bolt, and I got one I haven't moved yet, so on we go. Well, I got my cotter pin out. This seems to be a 1 5/16. My available sockets skip from 1 1/4 to 1 3/8. So this is going to have to sit here for a little while. But that's it so far. So I guess we'll call this progress. I might go. And surprise, surprise, the recirc just twisted right out. That was it just came right out. And it is dry. Well, we got just a little bit of motion between the, I don't even know how these are put together. I guess we'll get it figured out. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause this one right here today. The youngin's upstairs asleep, and I got to bang on some stuff here, so we'll pause a little bit short video. Like I said, I'm gonna piece this together as we go. We'll see how it all turns out at the end. Thanks for watching, YouTube.